Hey, it's Dreadwas here from MakeMorePlacements.com, where we help recruitment and search firm owners make more placements for higher fees with less work and fewer headaches. And in this video, I want to talk to you about why your recruitment experience really counts for nothing when it comes to attracting your dream clients. But, before I jump into that, if you're a recruitment or search business owner and you want to grow your business and you want to make more placements, head over to makemoreplacements.com/apply. There's a short letter there that explains how we might be able to help. So that's makemoreplacements.com/apply. So just been having a conversation with a recruitment business owner based in the States who, basically reached out to us because they want to talk to us about possibly help growing their business, right? And whenever that happens, one of the sort of first questions we ask when we speak to them is, what made you reach out and want to speak to us? And as you can probably imagine, we get lots of different answers. But this particular person said that the reason that they'd reached out is because they had a wealth of experience in recruitment, had been in operated in a particular sector that they operate in for years, was probably one of the most experienced people in the whole sector, but they were beginning to realize that their clients, it didn't really, just because they were more experienced, it doesn't necessarily lead to more business, right? More revenue. So, no matter what sector you're in, how much experience you've got, how well known you think you are, there are probably people in your market right now who, with less experience, less knowledge, less skill than you, but who are doing better than you in revenue and profit terms, right? So you know more, you've got better skill, you're better at it than you're getting the job done, you've got more experience, but they are doing better than you. Their business is performing better, quite frankly. And, that happens in most industries. The truth is, your clients or your potential clients don't really care about things like that. They don't care how experienced you are. They don't care about your skill, really. They don't care about how much knowledge you have. They don't care about how well known you are. All they really care about is getting the outcome that they want, right? And although all those things that I just mentioned contribute to that factor, obviously the more skilled you are, the better the outcome's going to be for the prospect. It's not what they're buying on, right? If you think about it, it's a mistake that a lot of recruitment and search firm owners make, right, when they're marketing their business. They speak a lot about their experience, how many years they've had in the industry, how much knowledge they've got. And it's not important, but, everyone says that. So you saying that you've got 20 years experience and, another recruiter saying I've got 18 years experience doesn't really mean anything to the client, right? And it doesn't mean, for you, it doesn't mean that you're going to win the business. It doesn't mean you're going to win more business. The only thing that, will contribute to your ability to win more clients, generate more business, increase your revenue and increase your profits is your ability to attract clients and sell to clients and market and promote your business, right? So one of the things that we see a lot is new recruiters who enter the market who aren't particularly good at recruiting, right? They're not particularly good at recruiting. It's not a skill that they're blessed in. But what they are good at is marketing and selling of recruitment, right? It's two different skill sets, right? We say that to grow a successful business, there's three things you need in the main, right? You need to have, a good service to be able to deliver what you promise. But then you also need to be good at marketing and good at sales, right? So you get sort of two groups: those who have a good service but they're bad at marketing and sales, or those who have a bad service but they're good at marketing and sales, right? The ones who are good at marketing and sales will always beat the ones who have a good service. So for you want to get good at all three. The businesses that do the best, the businesses that are the most stable, have the most consistent revenue and the most consistent growth, are ones who are good at all three. They have an excellent service, so the clients that they win keep coming back. They are great at marketing, so they're able to get their attention of their ideal prospects. They're able to get meetings with hiring managers who have a need for their service. But they're also good at sales as well. So when they have those meetings, they're able to convince a hiring manager to buy from them and buy from them on the terms that suits the recruiter, right? So there's three things you need. Most recruiters don't have those three things, and so although they might be although they might be really experienced, have all the skill, have the ability to get the best results for the clients, they're unable to demonstrate that fact or demonstrate that to prospects so that they don't make sales, right? It's about getting good at all three. So I don't know about you and your business. I don't know how much experience that you have, but look around, right? Are you in a market where, or are you seeing people around you, competitors who you've got a better service than them, you've got more experience, you know that when it came down to it, you could do a better job for the client than they can do. Maybe you don't know for sure, but you suspect you can, right? And you're pretty confident of that fact. If that's you and you're, I don't know how you feel about that, right? So the recruiter that I was speaking to, he was frustrated, which is why he reached out to speak to us. He didn't really like it. He knew that with the skills that he had, he should be doing better. So if you ever felt like that, if you head over to makemoreplacements.com/apply, there's a short letter there that explains what we do, and we might be able to help. So if you go to makemoreplacements.com/apply, or click the link in this post, and there'll be a short letter there that basically explains a bit more about what we do, how we might be able to help. If it's for you, great. If not, that's fine too. But that's makemoreplacements.com/apply.